Alright, so this is my video over the corrections of two of the questions I missed on the test. The first one was, what will be the value of x after the following code is executed? So for this one, I knew that while x is less than 100, x would add to 10, so that would make it 20 in that case. So it should repeat every single time until it is less than 100, or it is still less than 100. So whenever you put, while x is less than 10 or 100, it'll go right here and it'll add 10 plus 10, which would be 20, which is still less than 100. And that'll keep going through the loop until plus 10 equals 30, so on. And then it would go all the way to 100. I think what I got wrong with this problem is I didn't realize that it was just less than 100. So it would go all the way to 90, and then it would add 10, which would make it 100. But I made the mistake of thinking it would go all the way to 100 and then add another 10 to make it 110. So I think that's what I got wrong for that one. The second one I got wrong was the one about the cook, and he is making meals for a party of guests. You must find out what meals he'll be cooking for each guest between pasta, pizza, and salad. When the user enters stop for the meal, the loop ends. Finally, you must display the total of each. So for this one, this is the code I wrote down for the test. The first mistake I made was making another variable called total meals. And what I was thinking during this is I never made an if-else statement or any of that to determine when they enter pizza or pasta or salad. So for this one, I thought that the person would enter pizza, pasta, or salad, and then I would have it go through the loop and stop whenever they put in stop, but that was incorrect. So for this one, you have to declare a scanner object, which would be scanner KB equals new scanner system dot in. And then you would create a while loop saying while meal does not equal stop, then you would go through the loop. So then you would print out a statement saying for the user to enter a meal, and you would put meal equals KB dot next line, because it's a string. And then you would create a series of if-else statements saying if the user enters pizza, then you would increment the counter by 1. So the first one would be if meal dot equals pizza, then you would make num pizza go up by 1. And so on with the other variables. So else if meal dot equals pasta you would have num pasta go up by 1. For the last one, it would be meal dot equals salad. You would have num salad go up by 1 as well. So now for all of this, you would print out system dot out dot print total equals num pizza plus num pasta plus num salad. And that would be how you do that one.